10 interesting facts about Pythagoras. 1. Pythagoras wasn't just a mathematician. He was also deeply involved in religious and philosophical teachings. He founded a school in Croton, in what is now Italy, where he and his followers, known as Pythagoreans, lived a communal life dedicated to religious and ascetic practices. Think of it as a mix of math class and monastery. 2. One of the most famous mathematical contributions attributed to Pythagoras is, of course, the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. 3. Despite being credited with the Pythagorean theorem, there's historical debate about whether Pythagoras himself actually proved it. Some scholars believe that the theorem was known and used by earlier civilizations, such as the Babylonians, but Pythagoras or his followers may have been the first to prove it rigorously. So, he might have been more of a popularizer than an originator. 4. The Pythagoreans had some pretty peculiar beliefs and practices. For example, they believed in the transmigration of souls, meaning that after death, a soul could be reborn into another human or animal. This belief influenced their vegetarianism, as they avoided eating beans, because they believed beans resembled human genitals and could contain the souls of the dead. Talk about food for thought. 5. Music played a crucial role in Pythagorean philosophy. They believed that musical intervals could be expressed in mathematical ratios, and that music had a therapeutic effect on the soul. Pythagoras is said to have discovered that the octave, fifth and fourth musical intervals could be expressed by the ratios 21, 32, and 43, respectively. So next time you listen to music, remember Pythagoras. 6. The Pythagoreans were deeply interested in numbers and their properties. They believed that numbers had mystical significance and could reveal hidden truths about the universe. They assigned specific quality to numbers, such as 1 representing reason, 2 representing opinion, and 3 representing harmony. It's like numerology, but with a mathematical twist. 7. Pythagoras was rumored to have a golden thigh. Yes, you read that right. According to some accounts, he possessed a birthmark, or some other unusual feature, that made his thigh appear golden. This legend added to his mystique, and contributed to the perception of him as a semi-divine figure. 8. The symbol of the Pythagorean Brotherhood was a pentagram, a 5-pointed star. They regarded the pentagram as a symbol of health and knowledge, and believed it possessed magical properties. The pentagram was also associated with the golden ratio, a mathematical proportion that appears frequently in nature and art. 9. Pythagoras was a contemporary of other famous Greek thinkers, such as Thales and Anaximander. However, unlike some of his contemporaries, who focused on material explanations of the universe, Pythagoras emphasized the importance of abstract mathematical principles. He saw mathematics as the key to understanding the fundamental nature of reality. 10. Pythagoras' influence extended far beyond mathematics and philosophy. His ideas influenced later thinkers in various fields, including astronomy, music theory, and ethics. The Pythagorean emphasis on harmony, order, and mathematical precision has had a lasting impact on Western thought. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Pythagoras that you might not have known. Hopefully this has piqued your curiosity and inspired you to delve deeper into the life and ideas of this remarkable figure from antiquity. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks.